Okay, guys, welcome back again. Here is Wazico Graphics. Today I'm going to teach you step by step on how to extract a mockup, a PDF file from a downloaded mockup folder, which is in the form of zip folder. And I'm going to use this software called Photoshop. It's the same as Photoshop. So before we go, I'm going to teach you on how to extract it from Photoshop. So now I already download a folder which is in the form of a zip folder. All the files you can see here are in a zip folder. So it's either you have a folder that can reduce it, can open it, or so I'm going to use this mockup that I downloaded from mockup3.com. So you can get it, the credit goes to the mockup3.com. You can log in and download as many as you want mockup. So first of all, we double click on it, then it's open for us. So we are going to extract this, so we right click on it, then select copy all. So after this is done, then we go back to our folder. We right click, then we paste it here. So here is our mockup. So in now that we are able to extract our mockup, so let's go into here and see what we can find in it. So now here there are two main things here that we can find. One is a JPEG of the mockup. So let's see how it is. So this is how the mockup is when we send the PDF file into the Photoshop. So this is how it is. So now here is the PDF file that we needed. So let's go back to our template. So the only thing we can do is either you open it from your computer, or I always like drag and drop. So you drag and drop. And this one is the online version of Photoshop. So now here we so now that we have our mockup here, the only thing we are going to do is there is a thumbnail here. As you can see, here is the mockup, but he has given us indication that design, which means here is where we are going to place our design. But before we can place our design in here, there's a thumbnail here. If you can see where the cursor is, you double click on it. So once you do it, it will open another folder for you, or another template for you. Here is where we're going to place our folder. So for instance, let me bring in a design. So here is where I kept all my designs in one folder. So I'm going to bring in a design I did. So let's say, where can I get a simple, okay, I have it here. So let's bring this, drag and drop this design in here. Then we send the design here. We let the design qua or so we confirm it. Now the other thing we do here is we use Control plus S to save the smart object updated. If you can see, it came. So let's again, you see smart So let smart object updated. So now that means our image, our design has already been updated. So here we are. Is this. So this is the outcome of what we did. So now I'm going to try my hands on another different mockup. So in this one, I've already shown you how to extract it from the zip folder. So I'm going straight to a mockup folder I have on my machine. Uh, so here is the mockup, a file. So I will just drag and drop it here. So as we are waiting it for it to